What's up, curvy girls all over the world? It's your girl Elisa from StylishCurves.com, and today I'm back with a new video. And today I have a makeup video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you my current everyday makeup routine for my oily combination skin. I'm going to show you my favorite foundation to use for my skin, concealer, powder, the works. So if you are interested in checking out today's video, you already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. All right, guys, so let's jump right in and get started. So this again is my makeup routine as an oily combo girl and a woman of a certain age. Okay, now one of the things I'm gonna absolutely always use is a mattifying primer. So one of my favorites is from ELF. Okay, so this is their Power Grip Matte Primer, and it has kind of like a gel like texture to it. This is what it looks like. And I like using this one because I really do feel like it keeps the oils at bay, especially in my T-zone. So I also try to get into my, smile lines as well. Now, let me just say this. I am a makeup enthusiast. So I like to try different things. This could be my routine now and it might change later, because there are just certain products that I love that I think just work really well. So what I've also learned over time is to allow my makeup to set. A lot of products I'm using to actually absorb my skin and set in my skin. So, on a regular day, I will just let that dry down for like a good 2 or 3 minutes. And today it's a little warm, so I have to have the AC on, y'all. So that's the noise the kind of buzzing noise you hear in the background. All right, so now we're gonna go in with foundation, and I re-upped on one of my favorite foundations, which is the Haus Labs. So this is the Haus Labs foundation, and I got the shade 500 Deep Neutral. Yeah, this is really one of my favorite foundations, and I've used quite a few different foundations over the past couple of years that are also my favorites, like the Dior Liquid Face and Body. I love that too. But now that we're about to step into the fall season, I'm definitely back on this. So this one goes a long way. So I just put a little here, a little on my cheeks, on my forehead, and a tiny bit on my chin. Okay, and I just take one of my favorite brushes from BK Beauty, number 115. It's an angle head brush, and I just blend it out. So I always start at my forehead. Now I like this foundation because I feel like this foundation, it has more like a satin finish, and I also like the coverage. You can build it up, the coverage, but I find that a lot of the times the one pump on each side of my face is more than enough. And I always try to make sure I get under my chin. I don't put anything on my neck just because I don't want my clothes to get messed up. Like, look at the coverage. What are you guys watching on TV? It's been a minute since I've had a sit down chat with you guys. Y'all, I'm watching so much stuff. I'm watching 5-Star Weekend. I'm watching the show Furious with Fiona from one of my favorite shows. She got a new show on Hulu. I'm also watching Fightland. I just finished Kanan. And I don't want to spoil it in case anybody didn't watch it, but I was heartbroken. I'm also catching up on The Bear. I was kind of over The Bear from the last season, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna watch their final season. So as you can see, the coverage is really good. I like that this foundation is also very lightweight, and I feel like it gives a little glow to my skin. That's what I really like. And because now I'm a woman of a certain age, as an oily combo girl, I do feel like I get some dryness, and I feel like this foundation truly helps to, in a sense, like camouflage that too. So now we're going to get into some concealer, and one of my favorites is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer. Y'all, as you can see, I'm almost on E with this. I love, love, love this concealer, especially in the summertime. Like, this has been so helpful with staying in place and not running off my face. I'm using this concealer, and I like to just put a little under my eye, and then at the corner. And then, of course, I do the forehead. So, but yeah, those are all of the shows that I have been watching. Oh, and my show Lioness is back with Zoe Saldana. Oh, obsessed with that show. I love it. I love it. She's such a baddie. She is such a baddie. I love that show. So I'm glad that's back on. And I'm watching Diara from Detroit. I watched the first season and it was so funny and like I just thought it was like a cool, unique show. It's like Indiana Jones. And like a detective show with action and comedy. Like it's such a cool show. So I'm loving the second season. You can tell they got a little bit of budget this season. So I love seeing Method Man on there as well. So let me know in the comment section what you guys are watching. All right, so now I'm going to blend out the concealer, and I like a good highlighting concealer because I just feel like it just helps to create, you know, some dimension to my face. And now I don't really like highlight my full forehead because y'all, I got a big forehead. We don't need any more highlighting over there. So I just do a little bit. And I like doing my makeup in natural light because I feel like you get the true color of everything. So the sun is basically setting. It might do one more pop out, but it's setting. And so I always feel like you get your true color, the true shades of makeup in natural light. And I always save my under eye for last to blend out so it can dry down a little more. And I've learned that when you allow, especially concealer, to dry down, that it gives better coverage. That I believe that. Like I feel like I see a difference whenever I let my concealer dry down. And I'm such a fan of angled brushes. This one is from Makeup by Mario. I feel like the angled brushes really help to get in the crevices of my face and apply the makeup the way I want it to. So the Makeup by Mario brush and the foundation brush from BK Beauty, oh, these two, I use them every day. I'm really excited about the fall season. This time last year, I was like, could we speed this up? Could we hurry up? But I'm actually excited this year. This year has been a really good year for me. So I'm excited about enjoying the fall this year. And I just love how the Estee Lauder concealer blends out. Like you see, it just gives such a nice blend. I'm such a fan of this. And when I tell you, if I feel like I'm getting sweaty or it's getting hot, this foundation stays in place, that concealer stays in place. All right, so now we're gonna set my face. This is the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder. Mine is in Cinnabon. I love this. As you can see, we are almost done. So I'm gonna set under my eyes first. Now, as a woman of a certain age now, I make sure I get this powder into my skin, boy, especially under my eyes. I make sure I get into the crevice. And I love how this really helps to keep my makeup in place too. I'm such a huge fan of this setting powder. And it definitely takes down shininess. And then I make sure I get right in that smile line, because that smile line, boy, y'all know me, I'm smiling all the time, grinning. And what I like about this setting powder too is the fact that it almost looks airbrushed. It almost like makes under your eye look airbrushed, you know? So that's why I really like this powder too. It's such a good powder. All right, so now that I'm gonna let the powder set. So I'm gonna go in one of my favorite bronzers, and it is from NARS. This is their Laguna bronzer in number 8. So when I do like my everyday makeup and I don't do like any eyeshadow or anything, what I will do is I will take my bronzer and I'll put that as an eyeshadow. And I'll just put it all over my lid just to add some color. And then what I'll do is just go, while my under eye stuff is still setting, I'm going to go in with my little bronzer brush and just bronze my forehead, you know, around the perimeters of my face. But this Laguna bronzer, I love that it's like it still shows up on my skin, you know, and it gives a really nice warm look. And then I always just bring it down almost as if, well, I do it like a contour, and it just really just adds some nice warmth to my face. And then I do under my chin, And then I do the sides of my nose just a little bit. I just feel like, once again, it just gives a really nice warm vibe to my face, especially for the summertime. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. H2O Proof Jet Black Eyeliner. This is also one of my faves. It's really black and it stays on. When the wing liner, everybody used to just do a wing liner. It was like anytime you did eyeliner, you did a wing. I don't do that anymore. Yep, and that's how I put on my eyeliner. I just swipe it on. And then I like to put a little brown liner on my lower lash. Now, I done ran out of brown liner because I use it often. So sometimes I use a brown lip liner. So I'm going to go in with this brown lip liner from MAC. Okay, so now after I put the eyeliner and stuff on, then I like to go in and dust off the powder. I take a nice fluffy brush and just dust the powder off, the setting powder. And once again, like, you can just see how, like, almost, you can see how smooth that powder makes under my eye look and the center of my face. Like, this is just so, I love the powder, the concealer, and everything just blended out well. Okay. And this is a combination that I've just, like, tested and tried different products, because again, as an oily combo girl, I feel like your skin can be so tricky. It's like, yes, I want products to control my oils, but then I also don't want to look dry and dusty. And I just find this makeup routine helps me to not look dry and dusty. Okay, so now that we did that, I'm going to go in with some blush. So we're going to go in with another Haus Labs product. And this is my Haus Labs blush. This is in Watermelon Bliss. It's such a beautiful color. It's like a nice pinky red color. With this one, a little bit goes a long way, and I like a lot. So, and I'm starting to, like, bring my blush up a little more. And I like putting it on the apples of my cheeks, because as a girl with a round face, a big full face, I don't know, I like when the blush hits the apple of my cheeks, because I have, you know, round, big cheeks. And I love this blush color. It really shows up on my skin very nicely. And then I'm going to go in with, I don't care what anybody says. I'm going to always have me a box of Ardell Wispies in my makeup bag, okay? So we're going in with the old school Wispies. I could never get my lashes done. I don't even want, I wear glasses, and baby, I'm trying to see. I don't want nobody playing in my eye. No. So I've never gotten my lashes done. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. First of all, I'll be looking at eyelash glue funny, like, you better act right. So I'm just going to put some glue on these, because I just find that these just work for my eye shape so well. Okay, y'all, while the lash glue dries down, now I'm going to set my face. And I'm going to set my face with something I've been using all summer. And I can't even believe that I've been using this, because this is literally almost like a hydrating mist. But it's a setting spray. It's a makeup setting spray, and this is from Pixi. Remember when I had got this as a, PR gift, the Hello Kitty and Pixi collaboration. So this is their settings, their makeup fixing mist. I like it, y'all, and I can't believe that I like it, because I always like makeup sprays that are mattifying. This one actually is supposed to, like, hydrate your skin. I don't spray a lot. It smells so good, but I like it because it really does help to keep my makeup in place. Like, when I do this combo, I really just feel like I don't have any issues with my makeup moving, sliding. Even if I sweat, because I've used makeup before that has literally, like, ran down my face. But this combination doesn't do that to me. Okay, so let me pop on my lashes, and then we'll do lips. I put the lashes on, and I just like to squeeze them sometimes just to make sure they're really on there. See, and I just feel like they complement my eyes so much better. Because I have almond-shaped eyes. Now, I do like the fluffy lashes. Now, remember, I got a pair of fluffy lashes from the TikTok shop, and they grew on me. But this right here, these are so lightweight. So, I'm also going to go in with a new mascara I've been using. This is from Maybelline. This is Maybelline's Lush Sensational Mascara. I mean, it's all right. Now, I got it in PR, so it's all right. Like, it's nothing necessarily to write home about, but it gets the job done. So it does a good job of blending my lashes in with the false lashes. And then, of course, you know, I get my bottom lashes. Okay, so now for a lip. The sun is going down again. But now for a lip, I'm going to go in with the old school favorite. This is from the Sephora lip collection. This is Cherry Blossom. It's a cream lip stain. It's such a good red. This is such a beautiful red. And so as you can see, like, my face doesn't look dry. It doesn't look overly like oily or super shiny. The braid out came out really nice. So yeah, everything came out really good. So this is my makeup routine for my oily combination skin. Like I said, I'm a makeup enthusiast, but for right now, I'm loving this combination. Like, I feel like everything looks good. It's blended out well. Under my eye looks nice and smooth. So this is my oily combo skin makeup routine. I hope that you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. Also, again, let me know what you guys are watching so I can add some new shows to my lineup. And as always, I will have everything I used linked down in the description box for you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, hit me with a thumbs up, share it. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Stylish Curves, and you can also follow me over on TikTok at Stylish Curves. If you want to check out more plus size fashion, style, and beauty, make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. As always, I enjoy hanging out with you. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.